Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Activity app on your Apple Watch to set fitness goals. You will see 3 rings: Move, Exercise, and Stand Today. Tap the Move ring to change your daily calorie goal in calories. Use the digital crown to increase or decrease the number value smoothly. Set exercise minutes to a recommended 30 minutes or to another target you prefer. Choose Stand goal hours, commonly 12 hours, to encourage hourly movement. Confirm and your watch will track progress, sending reminders and celebrating completed rings. Open the Fitness app on your iPhone to adjust detailed goals for your Apple Watch. Tap your profile, then choose Change Goals to edit Move, Exercise, and Stand values. For Move, enter a daily calorie target such as 500 calories or another amount. To increase intensity over time, raise Move by 25% across weeks gradually. Adjust exercise minutes and stand hours similarly, matching your schedule and recovery needs. Changes sync automatically to the watch and will appear within seconds. Review trends and modify goals monthly if you consistently meet or miss current targets. Use workout detection and reminders to capture activity accurately on your Apple Watch. Enable notifications for goal progress, stand reminders, and move progress alerts. Share activity with friends and start competitions to boost motivation for 7-day streaks. Use complications on selected watch faces to view move calories and ring status at a glance. Check trends to see a 90-day movement overview and a 7-day rolling average. If goals strain recovery, lower move calories, or exercise minutes,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.